Hi guys, and again I'm back. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 2, and the chapter name is People Who Help Us. So in previous we have learned about that the person who help us in our daily life and make our life easier. Just take a short look at what we have learned in the first videos. So first of all, about the plumber. Plumber is what? It can fix our taps and pipes. It can repair our fix our pipes and taps. So it can make our life easier and it can help us in our daily life also. So second is like an electricians. Electricians is also who can help us and who can fix and repairs our lights and the other electrical things. Next is nurses. Nurses is also who can look us when we are sick. Next is policeman. Policeman is also looks our safety, that we are safe or not. Then postman also delivers the letters from one place to another. Then milkman, it delivers the milk. And next is what is profession. Profession is what? It's like a job when the people work a person and does the money to earn, so that we call the professions. Next is what? That in page number 55, the carpenter. Carpenter is what? A carpenter makes and repairs our furniture. Means the designs, all the designs type of furnitures and sofas, chairs. These all who make? The carpenter makes, and it makes our life and work very easier. It can make sofas so that our looks very beautiful. So carpenter is also very important and in our daily life, and it is the person who help us in our life. Next is farmer. He just helps us in every conditions. Like suppose if hot is there, too much cold is there, if then floods is there, whatever is there, but he can provide us different types of and healthy food. Like farmer, what? He grows crops for us to eat. So farmer is what? He grows crops for us that we can eat, we can take a healthy food, and we can become a strong person. So what the reason? Like suppose any reasons they are working, so he's like a god who gives us food. So he is very important in our life and he makes our life very easier. Next is greengrocer, sells vegetables and fruits. Greengrocer is what? Suppose that we are going to in the market and then we are buying the fruits, vegetables, so that we call the greengrocers. So when we will go to the shop and we can buy these all things from the greengrocers, and it can give us fresh fruits and vegetables. For that we can become a healthy person. So this also makes our life easier and to gives us things, fruits and vegetables in our life. Next is firefighter. Firefighter help us in case of fire by putting it out. Suppose that if any house that if fires will means it just came out, come in and just like that, for that we can call a fire brigade, and it helps us to put out the fire from the house, from the fire there. So it helps us. Then butcher sells meat. So whatever the non-vegetarian people are there, they are eating the like meat, flesh of other, and means meat, then chicken, and these all eggs, then fish. So who sells these? The butcher. So for that we can eat these all things. Next, a teacher teaches us and helps us study. Yes, teacher is also people who helps us, and it can teaches us and helps us to study, to read, to write. And teacher is like a god, and it helps us in a different times. So we just respect the teachers. Next is mason. Mason means that who can build our house, and they built our house. So he is also the people who helps us in our daily life. Next is a tailor stitches our cloth. The cloth, different types of cloth, the designers cloths. These all cloths if we wear, then these all we can wear with the help of a tailor. Tailor, he can make our stitches, our clothes. Next is an architecture. Architect is what? He can design our buildings, the houses, the rooms, how many rooms are there, then where the kitchens, in which directions the bathroom is there. So it helps us that to build our houses. Architects, it helps us and it can design our houses so that the machine are gone through that direction and they can build our houses. Next page number 56. We should speak polite to people who help us. Yes, we should not rude with them. We should always help the people who helps us. We should always speak polite. We should not ill-treat them. We should not ill-treat them. We should not for that always we should respect them, because they are the people who help us. Ill-treat means, like, suppose we think that they are poor people and we can't go there, we can't touch their hand, we can't take things from there. So it is very bad habit. We have to treat in a very good manner. We should respect them and be kind to them, and we should always respect and kind to them, because they are the people who help us in our daily life. Now your chapter has completed, and I'm just going through the exercise 1, 2. You can go through take out your book. I'm just telling you, just write down the answer in your book, so that once the online class will over, you can go through the copy and then you can write down in your copy, fair copy. New words is only 4 new words are there: greengrocer, bachelor, mason and architect. You can write from the book. Then just go through the exercise 1. Some people who help us are introducing themselves. Identify them. So here are some people who are introducing themselves, and we have to identify that who's that person who help us. So just go through the first A number. I look after people when they are sick. So just think that who look the people when they are sick? Then who am I? Answer is nurse. You can write the spelling: N as a nose, U as an umbrella, R as an rose, S as in sun and E as in ear. So your word comes like N U R S E, nurse. Next is I deliver your letters. Who am I? Now who's the person who delivers our letters? Answer is postman. Then write down the spelling: P as in potato, O as in orange, S as in sun, T as in tiger, M as in man, A as in apple and N as in nose. So your word comes like P O S T M A N, postman. Next C is I grow crops for everyone. Who am I? Now who grow the crops for us? Then the answer is farmer. So the spelling is F as in fan, A as in apple, R as in red, M as in mango, E as in ear and R as in right. Then your word comes like Farmer, farmer. D is I built your home. Who am I? Who built home for us? Then the answer is mason. Write down the spelling: M as in mango, A as in axe, S as in sun, O as in orange and N as in nose. So your word comes like MASON, mason. Next E is I design homes for you. Who am I? Answer is architect. Write down the spelling: A as in apple, R as in red, C as in car, H as in hen, I as in ice cream, T as in tiger, E as in eye, C as in car and again T as in torch. So your word comes like ARCHITECT, architect. First is nurse, second is postman, third is farmer, fourth is mason and the last is architect. Next 2 number match the following. A, it is the picture of fire, then A it goes into the 4 number. B, it is the picture of tailor, it stitches our clothes, then it goes to the 5. C, it's a bachelor, then C it goes to the first meat. D is farmer, it goes to the 3rd crops, and E is milkman, it goes through the milk. So I am repeating, please match it. A 4, B 5, C first, D 3 and E second. So till that you have to complete the new words question number A and 2 in your copy, fair copy. Question answer I will upload on the website of Hartford International School. You go there and check your homework. Till that, thank you and have a nice day. Please stay at home.